Hello students, welcome to Vincent Digital Learning Platform of Vincent International School. So आज our topic is noun. Okay. So see, what is noun? Noun क्या है? Word names that we use to identify person, place, animal, idea और emotion. किसी भी पर्सन का आइडेंटिटी, ओके, किसी भी प्लेस, किसी भी एनिमल और एनी आइडिया और इमोशन को जब हम डिनोट करते हैं दैट इज नोन एज नाउन. सो वर्ड नेम्स दैट वी यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई पर्सन, place, animal, idea or emotion are called noun. So a noun is basically a naming word. Noun क्या है? It is a naming word. चाहे वो person का हो, thing का हो, emotion हो, expression हो, it is a naming word. So for example, see Harry, London, tiger, faith, love, etc. These all are nouns. Persons, places, things, animals. So किसी भी person या फिर place या फिर things, animals वर्डिंग नेम्स होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? नाउन. सो इट इज बेसिकली अ नेमिंग वर्ड. अब नाउन, नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन. नाउन्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 पार्ट्स. नाउन 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हुए. फर्स्ट वन इज कॉमन नाउन, सेकेंड इज आवर प्रॉपर नाउन, थर्ड इज द कॉन्क्रीट नाउन, फोर्थ इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन एंड फिफ्थ इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. सो नाउन क्या, इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 पोर्शंस. क्या क्या है? फर्स्ट वन इज द कॉमन नाउन, सेकेंड प्रॉपर नाउन, concrete noun, abstract noun and collective noun. अब हम सबका definitions पढ़ेंगे. Okay, first one is common noun. Now what is common noun? Common मतलब क्या है? As in all एक normal सी चीज. ठीक है, so common noun means they are the names of common or general. See, common noun are the names of common or general things we see every day in our life. डेली बेसिस में जो हम कॉमन और जनरल थिंग्स देखते हैं उसे बोलते हैं कॉमन नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेबल, लायन, डॉक्टर, स्कूल, टीचर्स, आर्टिस्ट, ये सब क्या है? कॉमन नाउन. डेली बेसिस में जो हम कॉमन और जनरली जो चीज देखते हैं दैट इज अ कॉमन नाउन. नाउ सी, कॉमन नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, डॉक्टर, engineer, artist. Common name of a place, country, city, town. Okay, common name of an object, table, computer, plane. Common name of an animal, bird, insect, dog. So the common name of a person, doctor, engineer, artist, teacher, सब. ठीक है. Common name of a place, कोई भी country, कोई भी city, कोई भी town. Common name of an object, table, computer, ball, plane, etc. Common name of an animal, bird, insect, dog, cat. ये सब क्या हो गए? Common noun. Okay. Another one is proper noun. Common noun क्या था? Common noun was common और general. Proper noun क्या है? किसी भी particular चीज है, एक specific चीज को जब हम बोलते हैं that is a proper noun और proper noun. So proper noun are nouns with specific name. See, कोई भी चीज को जब हम specify करके बोलते हैं that is a specific name like Thomas, Wednesday, Delhi, Mount Everest, etc. So proper noun means किसी भी एक specific चीज को जब हम name देते हैं that is known as a proper noun. Now see, they are always capitalized. That means proper noun हमेशा capital letter में होते हैं. अब example में देखो, Thomas, T is capital, Wednesday, W is capital, Delhi, D is capital, Mount Everest, M and E is capital. So always proper noun, क्योंकि ये हम symbolize कर रहे हैं एक specific person को. So always it comes in a capital name. Now if it is a boy, David, capital D. If it is a dog name, Rover, R capital. City, Orlando, O is capital. Movie, Toy Story, T is capital. Okay, so this is a proper noun. Another one is concrete nouns. Now what are concrete nouns? See, concrete nouns are names of things that can be touched or seen. Example, rock, salt, etc. See, we know our 5 sense. जो concrete noun मतलब क्या है? किसी भी name of the thing, okay, जो हम देख सकते हैं. See, which you can taste, which you can smell, which you can hear, which you can touch and which you can see. So concrete nouns क्या होते हैं? ये सब 5 sense जो work करते हैं जिस चीज में. For example, see, rock or salt. You can see rock, you can touch the rock, you can feel the rock. So rock क्या हुआ? It is a concrete noun. और salt क्या हुआ? हम salt को देख सकते हैं, taste कर सकते हैं, touch कर सकते हैं. So it is a concrete noun. So जहाँ 5 senses work करते हैं that is known as a concrete noun. Another one is abstract noun. Now, what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are names of ideas, thoughts, feelings, or vague things that cannot be seen or touched. जो थिंग्स, जो आइडिया हुए, जो भी हमारे आइडियाज होते, जो भी हमारे थॉट्स होते, जो भी हमारी फीलिंग्स होती है, वो हम किसी को we are not able to touch it or we are not able to see it, but you can feel it. Okay, so that is known as abstract noun. See, like peace, beauty, friendship, anger, etc. Kindness होंगे, wisdom, integrity, beliefs, future. These all things you cannot see, neither you can touch it, but you can feel it. So abstract noun are the names of ideas, thoughts, feelings. Okay, now see. Common nouns can be further divided into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns क्या है? Countable nouns are those nouns which you can count. जो भी चीज हम count कर सकते हैं उसे countable noun बोलते हैं. Whereas uncountable nouns are those nouns which you are not able to count. Okay, which you are not able to count. It is uncountable noun. It can be both in singular or plural form. Countable noun, uncountable noun. They can be in two form, both form में हो सकते हैं, which is singular and plural. Now what is singular? Singular means when it is only one. Plural when it is more than one. ठीक है? Now countable nouns, for example, box, boxes, book, books, man, men. So countable noun क्या होते हैं? Singular, plural में भी हो सकते हैं. Now uncountable nouns, sand, sugar, news. Sand, sugar, news. यू आर नॉट एबल टू, हम इसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते, सैंड को भी काउंट नहीं कर सकते, शुगर को भी काउंट नहीं कर सकते, सो इट इज अ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. नाउ वी हैव लास्ट वन इज आवर कॉन्क्रीट नाउन. सी, कॉन्क्रीट नाउन कम्स अंडर द काउंटेबल नाउन्स व्हाइल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कम्स अंडर द अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. कॉन्क्रीट नाउन किस में आता है? इट कम्स अंडर काउंटेबल नाउन. नाउ व्हाट वाज कॉन्क्रीट नाउन? See, concrete noun क्या था? Are names of things that can be touched or seen. जहाँ हमारे 5 sense use होते हैं, that was our concrete noun. Whereas abstract noun क्या था? जैसे कि ideas, thoughts, feelings, ये सब जो present करते हैं उसे हम abstract noun बोलते हैं. So concrete noun it comes under countable noun, जिसे हम count कर सकते हैं. While abstract noun it comes under uncountable nouns. Now see, now we will move toward the self test करेंगे. Okay, first one, see, identify the common nouns in the given sentence. अब हमें से common noun find करना है. I saw a cat playing on the grass. I saw a cat playing on the grass. Cat is a common noun. Cat is a common noun because it is a pet. A pet cat, कोई भी cat हो सकता है, black, white, mixed color, any color. Okay, so cat is a common noun. Now, Jatin picked his papers and went. Papers is a common noun. क्यों? Papers किसी भी color का हो सकता है, A4 sheet हो सकता है, या फिर 4 line हो सकता है, 2 line हो सकता है. So paper is a common noun. Now see, identify the proper noun. अब हमें proper noun किसी भी specific चीज को जब हम बोलते हैं proper noun. Rita is going to Paris in February. Rita is going to Paris in February. तो क्या हुआ? All of these are proper noun. Rita, particular person का name हो गया. Paris, place का name हो गया. February, a month name. So all of these are the proper noun. Now see. For Meg likes watching the moon at night. Meg. Why Meg? Because it is a proper name. एक person का name इसलिए Meg. Now see. We reached Raipur quite late. Raipur is a proper noun. Now see, read the following sentence and choose the concrete noun. What was concrete noun? Concrete noun was those nouns which you are able to, 5 sense which you can touch, which you can feel, which you can taste, which you can see. Okay, there are too many items of furnitures in this room. Option क्या है? Too many furniture. This in sub में which is the thing which you can touch or see? Furniture. Furniture is the thing which you can touch, which you can see, which you can feel it. So furniture. Okay, now second one, see, the dogs in the house are barking. Dogs, you can see the dog, you can feel the dog, you can touch the dog. So dog क्या हो गया? It is a concrete noun. See, their marriage is falling apart. Their marriage is falling apart. Marriage, because you can see the marriage, you can feel the marriage. I have a strong hatred for seafood. You have a strong hatred for seafood. So seafood, because you can taste it, you can see it. Now, Ravi really cherishes my friendship. Ravi really cherishes my friendship. Now, what is this in this? Friendship. Because you can feel the friendship. Now see, collective noun. Collective nouns, अब collective nouns क्या है? Group of noun. Okay, collective noun मतलब क्या है? Group of noun. Collection में जो आता है. Collective noun are names given to a group or collection. See, two things. Collective noun क्या हो गया? It is a group or collection of things, animals, people, material. कोई भी things, animals, people, material का जब collection होता है, it is known as a collective noun. So it is used to denote a large number of same things being together. कोई भी चीज, for example, flowers. We call it a bunch of flowers or a bouquet of flowers. So जब flowers, बहुत सारे flowers एक साथ आते हैं, flowers, that means same kind के बहुत सारे चीज जब एक साथ आते हैं, so it is a collective noun. Now see, ships, a fleet of ships, a swarm of bees, a pack of wolves, okay, a bunch of keys, a drove of horses, an army of ants, a team of ozone, a host of sparrows, a herd of cattle, a cartoon of milk, a can of soda, a bevy of girls, a band of men, and a cast of act. So all these things which I have underlined, ये क्या है? Collective noun है. बहुत सारे शिप जब साथ में आते हैं, we call it as fleet. बहुत सारे keys जब साथ में आ जाएंगे, it is known as bunch. बहुत सारे men जब एक साथ में आ जाए, it is known as band. बहुत सारे actors जब साथ में आते हैं, it is known as a cast. Okay, so these are the collective nouns. So our next question you need to do, fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. Okay, now see, a dash of camels. अब camels की group को क्या बोलते हैं हम? It is known as a caravan. Okay, so a group of camels, when it comes together, it is known as a caravan. So a caravan of camels. Now second one, a dash of dragons. What is dragons? जब सब साथ में आते हैं, it is known as a wings. Okay, so it is a wings of dragon. So dragon जब सब साथ में आते हैं, it is known as a wings. Now a dash of singers. A wings of dragons, a caravan of camels, a dash of singers. So it is a chore of singers. So जब camels, there is a group of camels, it is known as caravan. Where there is a group of dragons, it is known as wings. Where there are a group of singers, it is known as chore. So today's session we will end up here. So tomorrow we'll meet with the other topic. Thank you.